In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on red button at the bottom. Now to add a bookmark, click on this one. To pause it or unpause it, on the middle one. To listen to your recording right away, on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Now name it however you want to. Hit save, and to play it, tap on it. You can manage it using all of those options. If you want to delete it though, you need to hold it over here. Select delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!